Have you ever found yourself staring at a string of text, wondering how to turn it into something useful in your code? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to create a JSON object from a string in Kotlin. I totally get it. Converting strings to JSON objects can be tricky, especially when you're in the middle of a project and need everything to work seamlessly. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I convert this string, which looks like this, named test name age 25, into a JSON object in Kotlin? Sound familiar? If so, let's tackle this together. So what's the deal with converting strings to JSON? In Kotlin, we often deal with JSON data, especially when working with APIs. Understanding how to manipulate this data is crucial for any developer. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make working with JSON in Kotlin even easier. To create a JSON object from a string in Kotlin, the user should first ensure they have the necessary dependencies in their project. This typically includes the JSON library. Next, the user should import the required classes in their Kotlin file. This is essential for using the JSONObject class. Now, the user can convert the string into a JSON object. This is done by creating a new instance of JSONObject and passing the string as an argument. Finally, the user can access the data within the JSON object. They can retrieve values using the appropriate keys. Fun fact, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, but it's used in many programming languages, including Kotlin. It's like the universal language of data. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to creating a JSON object from a string in Kotlin involves using a custom class called JSON Builder. This user highlights that the previous methods may not handle illegal characters or escaping properly. The JSON Builder class allows you to add key value pairs easily, supporting various data types like strings, numbers, and even nested JSON Builder instances. You can create a JSON Builder instance by passing pairs of keys and values. For example, you can use the toInfix function to create pairs, making the syntax cleaner. This allows for easy construction of complex JSON objects. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always validate your JSON string before converting it. This can save you from runtime errors and make debugging a breeze. And there you have it. You now know how to convert a string to a JSON object in Kotlin. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into JSON manipulation.